sitting in the same room, 3 feet apart. But there's a canyon running right through my heart. I'm watching your lips, but I'm hearing the wall, waiting for a whisper or a thunder call. You're holding the map, I'm holding my breath. Silence is starting to feel like a slow kind of death. It doesn't matter the name or the water we're on. Without a word spoken, the anchor is gone. Friendship, family, any kind of shit, it's just a sinking vessel if we let the signal slip. They say communication is key, but without communication I have no key. I'm standing at the door of everything we could be, but the tumblers won't turn and I can't break free. Yeah, communication is the key, but right now the door is locked between you and me. I see it in my circle, I see it in my kin. That space that grows when we don't let each other in. It's not that they're leaving, it's not that they're gone. It's just hard to find the words to keep moving on. We're all just islands in a crowded room, watching the distance start to bloom. You can call it a relationship, call it a bond, but if the line is dead, there's no way to respond. I'm looking for the ship that can weather the gale, but without a voice, we've got no wind in the sail. They say communication is key, but without communication I have no key. I'm standing at the door of everything we could be, but the tumblers won't turn and I can't break free. Yeah, any ship, family, friends, you and me. I'm still holding the lock, I'm still waiting for the metal. Talk to me. Without communication